Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a budget in Google Sheets. So I've already logged into my Google account. I went to the apps and went to Drive right here. So this is how it will pop up. So I will press new, go to Sheets and from a template, and it'll put me over here. So you can either make a monthly budget or an annual budget. I'm gonna press on annual budget. Alrighty, so from here, it's basically self-explanatory because it shows you how to do it right here. But it says to get started, you will enter your balance in row 13. So you'll go down here to row 13 and you'll enter your starting balance. So after you do that, then you will fill out the expenses and the income. So when you do that, then it'll come down back to the summary part right here, and it'll let you know how much of so and so you spend, and basically on really how to just budget your expenses for the year. So I'm gonna go back to my Google Drive and I'm gonna go back to Sheets, hover over this one from template, and then I'm gonna do a monthly budget. So with the monthly budget also, it's kind of explanatory right here in this area. So you will start with the starting balance right here. So that's what you start with, how much money you have. So then you will customize your categories and the income and expenses below. And as you enter your transactions, the sheet will basically automatically update to show the summary of what you're spending. So the stuff that's highlighted, that's the stuff that you can change. The other stuff is the stuff that will the actual and the difference is what will update as you put in for your transactions. So I will go to transactions, and right here I'll put the date, I'll put the amount of expenses, put it what it's for category, and the income you could put how much you basically get for your paycheck and stuff like that. So it would really just keep up with everything as far as what you're spending, so you will know exactly how much you're saving or you're not saving. And yeah, so this part right here, you can change that up, right? Anything that's highlighted, you can change that up. And then you can also add more rows to it. This right here, it'll show you how much you save, increase in savings, what you started with, what you ended with. So yeah, this is how you will make the monthly budget. Thank you.